Double-side band sealer machine. Securely connect the power cord to the machine's electrical connector. Set the required parameters on the control panel, such as temperature and sealing time. Adjustable temperature and conveyor speed for different pouch materials and thicknesses. Adjust the conveyor speed using the speed control knob. Position the platform properly on the machine. Bring the opposite band sealer closer to the platform by rotating the adjustment handle. Continuous sealing operation improves productivity and reduces manual effort. Take a large-size foil pouch and position it centrally between the opposing sealing jaws, ensuring proper alignment for uniform sealing on both sides. The pouch starts sealing simultaneously from both sides. The pouch is securely and uniformly sealed on both sides. Dual-side sealing system seals both sides of long pouches simultaneously. Ideal for long and large-size pouches, ensuring uniform sealing across the entire length. Provides strong, uniform, and leak-proof seals on both sides.